drag me down. I got a creepy feeling while I'm kneeling in the sand that there is someone else around. And it's a full moon that splashes to the ground.